Alright, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ajenla. Yes, I'm here to talk about marriage and its rights. If you have paid your dowry, you are making noise. You've done the church wedding, you are making noise. All these things you are doing are just marketing. Family are marketing themselves to collect money from you. The church are marketing themselves and saying that your marriage will not be blessed. And they're even placing calls on you because you did not do church wedding. Forget about it. Their cause does not matter. Now, you have to pay and do what we call marriage right. It is the marriage right that will give you access into the spiritual realm. Because marriage itself is let me say it's mystics. It's occultic. It combines two forces, male and female forces. It combines them together, it enables you to ascend. Now, many of you have not heard about this before in your life, and this is the first time you're hearing about it. Well, this is the gospel truth. You have to do the rites. We call it marriage rites and rituals. Without it, there is no ascension for you. Marriage is not for you to give birth, it's for you to combine forces and ascend into the spiritual realm. Many of you don't know this. There's a right you have to pay, you have to do. Well, you need more knowledge on this. I cannot talk more than this, but you need more knowledge. You know me, I'm Ajenla, the keeper of secrets.